Hey guys, this is Jeannie, your spa girl, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that everybody's been super interested in, and what it is green superfoods. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people that I've talked to recently or I'm friends with have said that, they have somebody close to them coming down with cancer. And it's really scary when you think of that. And one of the things that everyone with cancer is always resorted to is they always end up going with wheatgrass and supergreens. Okay, so I want to show you something that's really worth it. Now, I grow my own wheatgrass in my backyard, and you all have seen that, and I've showed you on past videos how to grow wheatgrass. And I just literally take it and I throw it into my smoothie. And like the smoothie today, this is low-fat milk. You can use almond milk if you like, but I like it a little richer sometimes. Then I have a cup of blueberries. I have a packet of collagen with hyaluronic acid in it. And then I am going to take a capsule of green superfoods. And again, these help to alkalize. They help your body to detox. They give you energy. They clean your system out. I also have ground flaxseed in here. I put ground flaxseed in almost everything. And you just take the capsule of green superfood. It's a little capsule like this. And you get like so many capsules in here. And one little thing of Amazing Grass Green Superfood, you get, it says like 150 capsules in here, okay? And it lists all the different things that are in it. There's so many amazing plants and fruits and vegetables in here. So you dump your green superfood powder into your smoothie, and you won't even taste it. You will not taste it in your smoothie. And again, every day I have a cup of blueberries, which also helps anyone to prevent cancer and get rid of cancer. Blueberries. And everything that you'll see me use is organic. Okay, so I'm off to the gym, and that's all in here. Okay, now, the one thing that everybody liked out of my video that got the most popularity almost on my whole YouTube channel was when I talked about the Amazing Grass Wheatgrass, okay, instead of the green superfood. Now, this has spirulina and acacia and everything great in here, including wheatgrass, but you can get just straight wheatgrass powder, okay? And I also have that. Now, whenever you wake up in the middle of the night and your teeth hurt, okay, when they hurt you, especially your back teeth, like your molars, because maybe you've had sugary food or cheesecake or you've had some dessert, you take one of these capsules, or you can take the Amazing Grass powder and just take a teaspoon and plop it in your mouth, and then put a little warm water in your mouth and rinse it. And rinse it in your teeth for about, even a capsule of this, if you're traveling, you'll want to use the capsules because they're easier to take with you. You can just put these in a baggie and take a bunch of them and just plop them open, throw it in your mouth, and swish. It will get rid of all of your tooth pain. It's amazing how it eats away at the bacteria and any plaque or anything that's hurting your teeth and between your teeth, especially sugar. And it alkalizes the inside of your mouth. So say you had eaten so much sugar that you had like sores in your mouth. This will take away canker sores. You can either use the supergreens, the green superfood supergreens, or you can use Amazing Grass wheatgrass, and you will find it is the same green color, okay? So you open it up, put it in your mouth, swish for 5 minutes. While you're swishing, you can go to the bathroom if you need to when your teeth hurt in the middle of the night. You can go into the kitchen and check on your dog. You can do whatever you want to do. But you want to give yourself about 5 minutes to swish it around on your teeth. Then what I gently do is I use another product that's amazing for the inside of your mouth when you have any kind of tooth pain, and that is a little baking soda. And I'll put the baking soda on my toothbrush and just gently brush over my teeth after I spit out the wheatgrass. And the reason I do that is I don't want the wheatgrass to discolor my teeth. So that's why I gently brush with a little bit of coconut oil or a little bit of baking soda after I have used the wheatgrass and swished it around my mouth for 5 minutes. Guys, try this. You will love it. This is your spa girl, Please make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Another great tip about tooth pain. Bye!